Sanibonani bantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Nginosibindi la namqamba lo mfana nathi usibindi. Kunjani ndoda amadoda?
Yaphila bandle ngezwe kuwe.
Ngizuyele kuthiwa bongenelo yigebengu lapha. Abantu wana bamaphoyisa nabanye abama security bezokwenza ubugebengu. Cha, ndoda amadoda ayithi ngikukhuthaze. Yazi empilweni kuyenzeka kungcwekwe. Kodwa mawudlondlobala ungalindele ukuthi wonke umuntu uzokufisela okuhle ukuthi udlondlobala. Udaba lenzekile, abantu bafikile lapha la kuhlala khona indodana yami eBhalito. Eseniyazi nonke ukuthi eBhalito
ngiyifihla impela.
yeah, so abantu bakuvakashela lapha eBhalito. Kodwa ke udaba asilihedlishi thina njengabantu bakaMseleku, sesilifake kubameli ibona abazokhuluma nabezomthetho, because mina ngicabanga ukuthi ubugebengu nje obuhleliwe ukuthi banga implicate ukuthi yazi nawe impumelelo wenza izinto ezingacatshanga ukuthi bezingenziwa umuntu ongangawe. Manje umona ke ngeke ngwenze lutho. Cabanga mina kwakuthiwa ngithwele, mhlambe wena sekuthiwa unemali awusafani nami. Kodwa ke hayi indoda le iyaphila, nami ngiyaphila, siyibambile siyaphambili. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We need to be very careful with the festive season. If people can pretend to be police officer, that is too much, guys. For those who don't know what is going on, guys, the Umpumelelo, a well-known son of a polygamous Mosamsalek and star of Utana's Temple and its Temple on Mzansi Magic, is unsure whether the real police were involved or people were pretending to be police officer, guys. A source close to Mpumelelo Msaleko claims that the group identify themselves as being from KwaZulu-Natal Provincial Crime Intelligence Unit, guys. So these people came to Mpumelelo's house in Bhalito, guys, saying that they even took a 30,000 rand cash. So Mpumelelo is saying the lawyers are currently busy investigating. Mosamsalek is saying the lawyers are currently busy with this matter, guys. They will sort it very soon. Do you still remember around January, it was alleged that Mpumelelo has an alive someone trying to enter emzini wakamayeni, guys. So we have never seen Mosamsaleko addressing that issue, guys. I guess maybe it was a fault, this one, because it really happened. No wonder why he decided to make a video addressing the current situation. And people are asking themselves, Mpumelelo unomuzi eBhalito. Right now, people knows Mpumelelo has a house. So everyone, those who are obsessed with the reality stars in Ghana's Temple and Utana's Temple, they will go and they're looking for Mpumelelo, guys. And some criminals, they will even think Mpumelelo has the money. I think the best thing he can do is to move and get another place, guys. It is not safe for him being a reality star in South Africa. We live in Cyril Ramaphosa economy. People are so hungry and people are asking themselves, oh, 30,000 rand cash, but he's failing to provide for Ingane Sakavuyo, guys. So people, guys, some people are feeling sorry for Mpumelelo, others they say he deserves what he's going through, but at the end of the day, guys, he's a human being. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Don't forget to subscribe, so like, comment, happy with it. Please take care of yourself. I love you.